Bigfoot's truck. We're at Monster Truck, Hot Wheels Monster Truck Low Party today, and we're about to meet the driver here in a second. Hopefully. Hey, how's your day today?
My day's going pretty good. How's your day?
Good. How's yours?
Awesome.
This is the driver of Bigfoot. Today, he's going to be driving.
Definitely. I'm going to be driving out there, doing some things, doing wheelies, some long jumps. Yeah, so I started driving back in January. So, been out here driving the Hot Wheels truck shows in January. Thank you, you too.
Pause it. Hey guys, we are going to really quickly. Here, let me turn it around to where y'all can see me. My mom and y'all. Okay. So we're going to be doing a lot more videos. My mom's going to be taking them, sending it to me. So we're going to do that. Then once we get settled down and when the show starts, I'm going to do like a live stream. So just hold for a second. He's gonna send me some videos. I'm gonna start posting them. Then I'm gonna do the live while they're getting ready or getting posted. So give me a minute. We're about to meet the driver of Mega Rex, and we'll see you in I'm gonna make probably like a playlist, or maybe like edit to where I can do them both, like combine them on CapCut, and then we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna pause it here, end it. Thank y'all, and there we go.